Hi there, K2A. So today we're going to do some math, and we're going to do some math story problems. So you're going to need three things. You're going to need your yellow notebook that we sent home with you last week. And it has white paper. You're going to open up to the very first page of that notebook. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser if you want. And you're going to need 12 items, small little items that you can use to count. Now in our classroom, we usually use our stones or the little coins, or sometimes we even use the animals. So I need you to find something like that. You can use dry beans if you have some of those that aren't cooked. You can use dry pasta. I'm going to use this one. Or you could use little stones. I'm going to show you what I have here. I have 12 little stones that I'm going to use here to count. All right, so maybe you need to be a little bit creative with mom and dad and go find 12 small things that you can use to count today. Your notebook and a pencil. Go ahead and pause this video for a moment so you can go get those three things, and I'll be waiting for you. Okay, if you're playing this video, it's because you have all your materials. You have your notebook, a pencil, and 12 small things to count. Okay, are you ready for our first story problem?
Can I help you?
Yeah, Noah's going to help us here, right? Because he's a super counter, right, Noah? A super reader. Now we're going to count. So, here's my story. I had 7 pairs. So, can we count 7 things? 7 pairs. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's enough. Thanks, buddy. Okay, that's all we need. 7 pairs. I'm going to count again just to make sure I have 7. You count too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, super counters. So, I had my 7 pairs, and Noah ate 4 pairs. Ready, Noah? So can you pretend to eat 4 pairs? Here's 1, 2, 3, and one more, 4. All right, that's enough. So he ate 4 pairs. How many pairs are left? Can you count how many pairs you have left? 1, 2, 3. Very good. How do you write the number 3? Pause this video for a moment and go ahead and write the numbers 3. Pause now.
Can I take one? Can I?
Okay, if you're back, it's because you wrote your number 3. I'm going to write my number 3 right here with you. So remember, when we do number 3, we start up here and we do a head and a big belly. There's my number 3 for my 3 pairs that are left after I had 7 and Noah ate 4. All right, ready, super counters? We're going to do a new one, so if you want, you can turn to a new page in your notebook. Next time we can wear our superhero suits. That's a good idea. Okay, ready?
Super counters win with our superheroes.
Yeah, we can be super counters too.
Plus you again.
Okay, there were 2 horses eating some grass in the field. So can you show me your 2 horses? 1, 2, 2 horses. Wait, I'm going to turn the page because we can still. So 1, 2 horses. Then 6 more horses came. Ready? Let's put 6 horses more. So we already had the 2 from before, and now we're going to put 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right.
How many do we got?
How many horses do we have now? Let's see. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 horses. All right, super counters. Pause your video now, and I want you to write a number 8 in your notebook. Pause now. All right, if you're back, it's because you wrote your number 8. I'm going to write my number 8 now for you, okay? Remember, when we do our number 8, we start up here and we do an S. There's our S. And then we close it. There's our number 8 for 8 horses because we started with 2. And then 6 more came. There we are. All right. Okay, we're going to do one more for today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's turn the page to a new white page. You guys can do this too in your notebooks. All right. Okay. I have 4 flowers in my vase. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 beautiful flowers in my vase. Now, after some days, I came to my vase and I found 3 of the flowers had died. So I had to take 3 of those dead flowers out of my vase. Let's take them out. 1, 2, 3. How many flowers are left in my vase?
1.
There's 1 flower left. Okay, go ahead and pause the video right now, and you're going to write number 1 in your notebook. Go ahead and pause. All right, if you're back, you wrote your number 1. We're going to write our number 1 together right now. Remember, number 1 can look different ways. Number 1 can be a line. We stop from the top to the bottom.
Do you need this?
Or we can also give number 1 a little head and a base. Both ways are okay to write number 1. Good job, Super Counters. Now that you're at home, if you want, you can make up your own math story problems with those little counters that you have. Maybe you can make one up and video it and send it to me. I'd love to see what math stories you can come up with today. Happy counting!